Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Welcome in your English class. Dear student, in this video we are going to complete the remaining fair work of present indefinite tense. So take your English grammar fair copy. Give heading of negative sentences. Maintain your page. Make here second margin line. Write here page number. Page number will be 4. And don't forget to mention here today's date. Then you will write formation, subject, helping verb, not, verb, object. Examples. Number 1. I do not go to school daily. Full stop. Second is, he does not go to school daily. Full stop. Third number is, you do not live in London. Full stop. Give here number 4. We do not play football. Full stop. Number 5. She does not like coffee. Full stop. Number 6. They do not make chairs. Full stop. It does not run very fast. Full stop. Dear student, again you will maintain your next page. For interrogative sentences, make here second margin line. Write here page number. Page number will be 5. Okay dear student, give here heading of interrogative sentences, formation, helping verb, subject, verb, object, then question mark. Examples. Number 1. Do I go to school daily? Question mark. Number 2. Does he go to school daily? Question mark. Third number is, do you live in London? Question mark. Fourth number is, do we play football? Question mark. Number 5. Does she like coffee? Question mark. Number 6. Do they make chairs? Question mark. Number 7. Does it run very fast? Question mark. And dear students, your today's homework is, you will do this fair work with neat and clean writing on your English grammar fair copy. Send your fair work in WhatsApp group. Hope you understood. Allah Hafiz.